Welcome back to Financial Knowledge, where we dive deep into the world of finance to help you secure your financial future. Today, we're discussing a crucial topic: building multiple streams of income. In today's economy, relying on a single source of income is risky, but with multiple income streams, you can achieve financial security, freedom, and even wealth. Let's explore how you can create and manage multiple income streams. Section 1. What are income streams? Before diving into how to build multiple income streams, let's first understand what an income stream is. An income stream is simply a source of regular income. The most common example is your salary, but income can come from various sources such as investments, side businesses, royalties, and more. The key is diversification, having more than one source of income so that you're not dependent on just one. Section 2. Types of income streams. There are several types of income streams you can create. Here are some of the most popular ones. 1. Earned income. This is the income you earn from working a job or running a business. It's usually the primary income source for most people. 2. Portfolio income. This income comes from your investments like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. It's typically in the form of dividends or capital gains. 3. Passive income. Passive income is earned with little to no daily effort. It includes income from rental properties, royalties from creative works, or a business you own but don't actively manage. 4. Business income. If you own a business, the profits generated can be a significant source of income. This could be anything from a traditional brick-and-mortar store to an online e-commerce site. 5. Rental income. This comes from leasing out property. Whether it's a house, apartment, or even equipment, rental income can be a steady stream. 6. Side hustles. With the gig economy on the rise, side hustles like freelancing, consulting, or selling products online can supplement your main income. Section 3. Why multiple income streams are important. Why is it important to build multiple income streams? There are several reasons. 1. Financial security. If one income stream dries up, others can keep you afloat. This reduces the risk of financial hardship. 2. Wealth building. More income streams mean more money to save, invest, or spend on personal goals, accelerating your wealth building journey. 3. Freedom and flexibility. Having multiple income streams can give you the flexibility to pursue your passions, reduce reliance on a single job, and even retire early if done right. 4. Diversification. Just as you wouldn't put all your money in one stock, you shouldn't rely on a single income source. Diversification spreads risk and increases stability. Section 4. How to start building multiple income streams. Now that you understand the importance, let's talk about how to start building multiple income streams. 1. Assess your skills and interests. Begin by identifying what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Your skills and passions can guide you toward viable income streams. 2. Start with one. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start by adding one new income stream, such as a side hustle or investment, and master it before moving on to the next. 3. Invest wisely. Consider diversifying your investments to generate portfolio income. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are great places to start. 4. Create passive income. Look for opportunities to earn passive income, such as rental properties or creating digital products like ebooks or courses. 5. Leverage technology. The internet offers numerous opportunities for income streams, from e-commerce to affiliate marketing. Explore how technology can help you create new sources of income. 6. Reinvest and scale. As you start earning from multiple streams, reinvest your earnings to scale these sources further. This might mean buying more stocks, expanding your business, or acquiring more rental properties. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Building multiple income streams isn't without challenges. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Spreading yourself too thin. Trying to start too many income streams at once can lead to burnout and failure. Focus on one at a time. 2. Lack of research. Jumping into an income stream without proper research can result in losses. Always do your homework. 3. Neglecting your main income source. While diversifying is important, don't let it affect your primary income source unless you're ready to transition. 4. Failing to plan. Each income stream should have a plan for growth, risk management, and exit strategy. Building multiple income streams takes time, effort, and strategic planning, but the benefits are worth it. Start small, stay focused, and gradually expand your income sources. Thanks for watching Financial Knowledge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building a secure financial future. And let us know in the comments, what income streams are you currently working on or planning to start?